jak wniosek w Handcraft deals. Gentle acoustic guitar like piano monody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and art to peers. Calm, creative, and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal loop soft wire instrumental. I call music for handmade craft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative, and suitable for long YouTube craft videos. soft wire instrumental. I call music for handmade coughed videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable for long YouTube craft videos. För handcraft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano melody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Soft wire instrumental. I call music for handmade coughed videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable for long YouTube craft videos. sentimental. Jak wniosek w handcraft deals. Gentle acoustic guitar like piano melody. Subtle ukulele, soft bells. Soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always. No lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and art to peers. Co-created and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal loop relaxing atmosphere, no vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable for long YouTube craft videos.